The Xiaomi Mi Band 3 is still not yet launched in India, but it is openly available in China and it can be easily imported without any custom duties, and so that I have also imported one. So hey guys, this is Vatsal here from VS Tech, and in this video I will be reviewing the Xiaomi Mi Band 3 after using it for 1 month. So without any further ado, let's get started. So let's start this video with a quick unboxing, and on the back of the box we have all Chinese, but still I can read that it supports Bluetooth 4.2 and it supports the charging of maximum up to 5 volts, and it has 110 mAh battery, and also the Mi Fit app can run on Android 4.4 and above and iOS 9.0 and above, and also it can go up to 50 meters underwater. Now opening up the box, we have the Mi Band 3 fitness tracker on the top itself, and then we have its strap, and in this the Mi Band 3 will fit, and then we have long booklets. It's all in Chinese and it's not readable, so it's waste. In a special column we have the charging cable of the Mi Band 3, and it's a special type of charging cable which can be used only with Mi Band 3. If you lose it, then you will need to import one from China because it's not available in India. Now here is the side-by-side comparison with the charging cable of Mi Band 2 or the Mi Band HRX. And as you can see, the Mi Band 3's charging cable is bigger in size, so it can be used only with Mi Band 3, and if you have the previous cable of Mi Band 2 as I have, then you cannot use it in Mi Band 3. Now in reality I unboxed it 1 month ago, but I repacked it and then unboxed it again because I wanted to show in the video. Now coming back to the fitness tracker, it feels refreshing because it is bigger in size, has curved edges, has larger display, and the display is a touch screen, and also it overall looks better than the Mi Band 2. Now there are some minor improvements in the Mi Band 3 which makes it worth buying. Now I lost my Mi Band 2 because it just slipped out from my strap and I lost it and I never found it again. But this time with the Mi Band 3, you have that extra cutting edges on the top and the bottom, and a dedicated space between the top and bottom for the strap, and the band strap will get in the middle of it so that it cannot be detached easily. And this makes the Mi Band 3 special because it cannot fall from your wrist like the Mi Band 2 or the Mi Band HRX did. Now coming to the display of the Mi Band 3, we have a 0.78 inches OLED display on the front, and it's very bright. As you can see in the comparison with Mi Band 2, the display is very bright. Now while making the video, the weather was overcast, and as you can see the Mi Band 3 display is clearly visible as compared to the Mi Band 2. Now coming to the features, on the home screen you have the time, day and date, and then swiping down you have the steps. On swiping right you have the distance traveled, and then you have calories burned, and then the battery left. And the touch sensitive button at the bottom we have is for back. Now swiping down 2 times from the home screen we have the heart rate, and we can monitor our heart rate directly from the band. Also this sequence is customizable and we can customize it via the Mi Fit app, which I will show in the later part of the video. Now swiping further down we have the notifications, and we can clear all the notifications by just long pressing the button. Now on further swiping down we have a more option, and in this we have the stopwatch, find my device, and the option to change the theme of home screen of Mi Band 3. And there are 3 types of themes given in this band, but I like the default one. And the Mi Band 3 also shows the weather of today, tomorrow and day after tomorrow. So these are all the features of the Mi Band 3. And I have applied the screen guard on the Mi Band, which is on right side, and I got it from AliExpress. Now the Mi Band 3 also has 2 more options which are very useful. Number 1, the calling. You can see the name of the person calling you on your Mi Band 3, and also you can mute your phone and reject the call from the band. And the second is, as I have already told, the notifications. You can receive the notifications of the apps you have enabled on the Mi Fit app. Now to see the details of your fitness tracking, you need to install the Mi Fit app from the Play Store, and it gives you the glance of the steps you have walked, your sleep data, heart rate data, and the calories you have burned. Now once you will open the app, you will get the basic idea of this app because it is very simple and easy to use. You can also set the delay alerts for incoming calls, and you can also manage the apps for which you want the notifications. Now coming to the review of the Mi Band 3, my experience with Mi Band 3 is very good over the past 1 month. as the steps tracking, the sleep tracking and also the heart rate tracking is very accurate as compared to other bands in this price bracket. Also, in my opinion, the most useful feature is calling feature because it shows the name of the person that calls you and it's very handy at times. So the Mi Band 3 is definitely the best fitness tracker in this price range, and it's definitely a worth upgrade if you own a Mi Band 2 or Mi Band HRX. Now coming to the cons part, the most annoying thing was that I was not able to reject the call most of the times. Now this can be the device compatibility issue, but still in my Nokia 7 Plus it is not working. So that's pretty much it, and the con I have mentioned is not a deal breaker and it's just nitpicking because it's actually a fitness tracker, not your smart. Now as it is not launched in India yet, you can import it from China via aliexpress.com. I will leave a link to the site in the description below. And if you are a new user to AliExpress, then you can also get a $4 coupon which is applicable on the Mi Band 3. So you can get the Mi Band 3 just for 1600 rupees via AliExpress and with free shipping to India. So if you are planning to buy one, then go ahead and buy it. So that's it in this video. If you did like this video, don't forget to hit that like button and also subscribe my channel for more such content like this. And also click on that bell icon to get notified each time a new video goes live on my channel. So thanks a lot for watching and I will see you in the next video.